Let's compare cars old and new. Tap the carriage that is the same as this one. This one is different. Try again. You made a match. Carriage. Let's try another one. Not a match. You made a match. Steam car. Let's try another one. Tap the electric car that is the same as this one. You made a match. Electric car. That was great! Get ready for the challenge rounds. Find the two pictures that are the same. Touch another. Touch another one. You made a match. Carriage. Two more. Look carefully at all the pictures. Touch another one. You made a match. Steam car. Last one. Find the two pictures that are the same. Touch another one. You made a match. Electric car. Look at all the matches you made. Carriage. Steam car. Electric car. Amazing! So many cars throughout history.